On this episode, I'll show you how to use embossing folders and die cuts to create this charming thank you card. Cut blue cardstock to 6 inches by 9 inches, then score at 4.5 inches. Cut another piece of blue cardstock to 4.25 inches by 5.25 inches. Emboss cardstock using Flowing Waves embossing folder. Die cut heart-themed cardstock using Thanks die cut. Die cut daisies using white and yellow cardstock. Apply double-sided tape to back of thank you die cut. Attach embossed cardstock to back of thank you card die cut, then attach that to front of card. Assemble daisies using double-sided tape. Attach daisies using Cubie's foam tape. For this and more projects, visit our website. And don't forget to like us on social media.